Yeah, I got you. He said shave. Ahorita.
Hold on, hey, no shaves, that way?
Hey,
let me get a shavings because the hair is so long, way. I need to wet it. Brother, I need to wet it, shit, way.
Güey, no me quería bañar hoy. No me...
Pobrecito.
I thought we were good, way.
That's just not even a style.
Eloy, how you feeling, my boy?
Next.
Little blues right there. Chilling. Broken, little blue.
Oh, no mames. No, yo no. ¿Me crees, güey? Pase tiempo. ¡A huevo! No, mames.
Manden saludos.
Fuck no, güey. Pasó. Fuck no.
Manden saludos a Lilo,
De una vez, güey, tengo la feria.
Tanto que grabas en la pinche otra cabeza me cortan el pelo. Ahí está, pinche pelo.
Casi te debe.
Ponte el design, güey, que me va a servir.
Oh,
Eloy.
What design should I
time
do?
to show, bro. Hey, you have to rock this circle for like at least a week, bro, and then you become good at it.
Sí, güey.
I'll pay for his haircut. It's a battle.
Güey, ya se nota por qué me la mi ex.
It's because she didn't want to come back like that way.
I'm gonna line you up, alright? Look.
Hola a todos, ¿sabes qué coche?
No.
You know with the lineup?
I'm gonna do it clean though.
Yeah.
Like this
I
clean.
just shaved them off. You're gonna clean it
Is
up.
that like
See?
what design should I do? We're gonna do some little lines or something.
A la verga, güey.
Look up the design.
Look up a cool design. Here, look. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes and pick a design, alright?
Yeah.
I'm gonna close my eyes, watch.
We need to like get on a good like design.
Look, on IG.
Arre, yeah.
Back.
Ponle haircut design.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Design.
Mañana voy a ir a trabajar. Y luego
No,
lo
sí,
que es
es que
pinche caballos.
acá mi chofer me va a traer.
No, yo voy a ir a los caballos.
Sí.
Este güey ya se fue por
Alright, look, so we looked up haircut designs.
Show him over here. Show him over here, bro.
We looked up haircut designs, and I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna land on one, right? Alright, ready?
1,
If it's a girl, I'm gonna stay alive.
2, 3.
Alright, let's see this shit. See this shit. That's bad.
No, it goes hard. It goes hard.
No, that actually goes pretty hard and it looks easy for him to do, bro.
Look, just this part, we're gonna do from right there.
Arre, I'm down for
So
that.
just like, alright.
Nomás, no,
Look.
acá no, nomás
No,
aquí.
just from right here, mira. So, alright.
Bro, you're not even getting this.
I'm getting rolled with 2 bags.
Hello. Hello, your barber?
Ey, nah.
No.
De pasada le hacen la firma.
I didn't. Oh. No, it's clean. It's clean.
Los hizo que eran pelón skin a la verga. Ni modo.
Double zero.
Ahorita te vamos al cuchillo.
No mames, acá. Cutting his hair.
Hold on.
Damn, for you gonna be all the bitches.
Ah, huevo, bro.
All the bitches. You see the design real quick?
And so it's like this, and so the other side's gotta be the opposite. So it's gotta go. So
¿Se buena?
that's an S or a Z? That's an S, right? That looks like an S. So we're gonna do a Z on this one. It looks sick. I'd actually get this.
Me too, güey, me too.
What's up, fool? Are you supposed to press hard? Does that hurt? No. Scream if it hurts. What the fuck? What are y'all laughing at? This is clean.
No, don't be laughing.
Don't laugh. They're laughing. I don't know what they're laughing at. Like, you see like this little triangle piece? It looks cool.
Hell yeah, bro. Oh shit.
Like, You blow on it? Where? Give me that. Give me this. Look.
Well, you're gonna be pulling all the bitches with it.
Le voy a contar de mis hijos de esto.
It's cause it's not clean in here. Look. It's we gotta clean it up, y'all. Mira.
No me mucho la oreja, así ya.
¿Qué te metiste, güey?
This is not it. You see this right here? Nope.
No es ratón, duda.
That came out pretty
I was cleaning up. What's up, guys? I'm not sure what point in the video this is gonna be in because I was just recording like crazy this whole trip. So I'm not sure if this is the start of the video, it's the middle of the video, it's the end of the video. But yesterday when I got to the work, they're not warehouses, they just call it sideways over here. When I was over here, everybody was like, just go once, and I was like, yeah, okay. And the truck broke, and that was on Sunday. The axle seal broke, so I had to stay here another night. And the hugest shout out to Kukas and ice cream. I'm gonna put their ads right here, guys. You guys go give them a like, go give them a follow on their IG page and everything, because if it wasn't for them, honestly, I wouldn't be on my way home right now, and I'd still be there stranded. Like they helped me so much to fix the truck, and I'm like so grateful for them. Like thank you guys. I love you guys so much. So that was this morning. You know, they literally helped me with everything to get the parts to put everything on, because honestly I didn't have enough. I didn't have the tools to do anything of that. We had to take out axles, and it was just era un pedo, you know. So God bless them. I just left right now. It's 6:40 p.m. I lost my glasses Saturday night, so I'm driving blind right now. It's gonna suck when it gets dark. And then one more thing, my brakes are smoking right now. Like when I'm not sure like what's gonna happen with that, but like if I stop, like they're just smoking. So I have no choice. I kind of have to just go because I'm already on my way. I'm in. Well, literally I just left. I don't know where I'm at. But yeah, I'm tired. I got like 30 minutes of sleep, but I have to go home. So we'll see how this little trip goes, guys. At least the view's nice. You want to explain to people what happened, man?
Pues valió shit.
Well, not that. They know that.
Pues entonces, ¿para qué preguntan?
Okay, guys. I think it was day when I was talking to you guys. It was day, right? Yeah, it was like fucking like 6 p.m. So we waited here.
4 hours.
4 hours.
What time is it?
It's
How long is that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How long is that?
It's like
6,
7 hours.
8, 9,
So
10,
we chilled
11,
here
12,
7
7
hours.
Yeah.
We were 7
Us doing the
hours.
math. It's the math doing for me.
We were chilling here 7 hours and we found somebody.
Update, he finally got something to eat.
Oh yeah, I got some spices too.
With cheese and no
Don't,
lettuce.
don't buy spices in Santa Fe though. Te las.
I think you saw your other one in there.
Yeah, I didn't need it. Te las dan planchadas.
They work
They're
on
all
a dryer.
flat. But check it out, guys.
A fucking dry cleaner.
Is it a neutral?
It's a neutral, yeah.
Dale.
Here. Are you useless? Do you know how to record?
I got you. Are you useless? I got you. Bitch, we have to get over. said, are you useless? Apparently, because he's got the last. Bro.
Did you hear that?
No más, it's just a bed, no más.
That shit hurt it.
That shit hurted.
Beds you find everywhere and everywhere. Go to 9 Mile.
Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh yeah.
Got you.
That hurt. Actually looks the same. I'm just showing you. I don't care about it no more.
I don't care about
I don't care about it no more.
A little behind the scenes, guys. Look at the road.
Alright,
We're about to burn it.
Oh damn! What the hell? This is my Red Bull that saved my life. Y'all ever seen camera on a truck? I know y'all ain't seen camera on a truck.
2, 3. Andale! Help him! You're a fucking dude.
No, I'm a supervisor.
No, we're not supervisors.
I'm supervising, making sure everything is right, you know. The lighting is correct y todo, you know.
That's my nass.
Es más, aquí se me hace que see, so the lighting is just perfect.
Agarrarse a huevo es diferencial.
Has to be from the back, not forward, no?
Well, I told you.
Pinche bumper, ¿no?
Levántala poquito si cabe. Oh, pues.
No, Dani.
I'll supervise it.
No seas mamón, güey.
más, más,
Ayúdalos. Y tú quítate.
God damn.
Oh, fuck.
Ah, no mames.
You got the make?
Y, bro. Do I cry now or later?
Tú dale.
Es que no ha levantado aquella llanta.
It's just gonna break.
Fuck the plate, right? Fuck the truck, basically.
Ahí está. ¿Le doy? Ya, ahí tiene que resbalar ya.
Hey, just watch out with your speed.
He drinks his milk every morning.
This is what saved my life.
Each day.
That's what saved his life, guys.
This is the Red Bull that saved my life.
Red Bull sponsor him.
It really is. Red Bull sponsor me. I have a really cool story. I almost died and the truck was catching on fire and this is what stopped the fire, so sponsor me.
Fuck. Hashtag Red Bull sponsored. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. They call me on your video.
Not a paid placement. Product placement.
Nothing more to see here. We'll see you guys in 7 hours in Denver, or I'm not gonna say nothing. I was gonna say some dumb shit, but it's probably gonna happen.
Está cargando a la verga, güey. No, déjalo ahí para frente a mi troca, güey. ¡Ey! ¡Pendejo! ¿Cómo andas dando las llantas y yo ahí?
What the fuck? Where's the jack at? Look right. How the fuck did it get right there?
Here, you can record that.
3, actually no, not 3. 5 hours later, I'm awake. I took a really good nap. I still, if you guys see me blinking a lot and this eye like dying, like I said, I lost my glasses and I found like contacts that kind of work, but this one's burning for some reason and I have to be like this for 3 weeks, so it's gonna suck. But we got the truck down. I'm gonna show you guys everything that happened to it. Well, obviously this. I'm gonna try to like kind of explain what happened right here. So this bearing, aquí está el bearing y el seal, and what happened was that the axle, when it broke over there, the bearing like basically chewed a piece off of the axle, which is like this, and then it made it like this small from one little like part, and so it was still wiggling a lot, and I'm guessing that's what made it heat up and like, you know, obviously fall out. And well, the bed got dented, but like I've been telling you guys for a minute already, we're gonna get a new bed, a new bumper, so I'm not even tripping about that. Right here we had to jack it up and then pull it to get it off the trailer, so that's así se quedó, but it was already crooked. So I'd probably be more mad, but everything that broke was supposed to get fixed already. The only thing that I'm not sure what's going on with is maybe it's just because it's slanted, but it has camber now. It looks kind of cool, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie, it looks kind of sick like that. Oh, and the jack is under there. Look. Oh. So this one's kind of like in the air, but it's because the jack's under there when we were trying to pull it down. So I don't know what's up with that. Maybe something broke down there, and the bumper's not crooked, the front one, but you know, a full repaint is coming soon anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And tomorrow, what's today? Today's Tuesday, March 23rd. Tomorrow I'll have a flight to Chicago. I'm gonna go buy a new truck, cause this one, you know, the comeback has to be hard. Like I said, the comeback is always better, so this truck's gonna come out super hard. We're gonna go get a new bed, we're gonna go get everything, but I'm gonna do it very slowly. Like I'm not gonna rush anything like I always do before, like painting it in a week and this and that. So we're gonna take our time with it. We're gonna do things right, and I will show you guys the new truck tomorrow. But yeah, this was like it was crazy. It was really scary. That when I wasn't going that fast, honestly. Like the wheel just basically came off, so it was pretty scary. It just spun out and the wheel came off. Cause I already knew like it was shaking, so I wasn't even going fast. I was on the highway. I was probably going like, at least I'm alive. Actually, that's what matters. At least I'm alive. Well, hopefully we'll get the truck tomorrow, cause you know sometimes you can go for a truck and it's probably not even as nice as it is in the pictures. But thanks guys for everybody that pulled up. A lot of people pulled up and just to check. Like most people couldn't do much, you know, because we needed a winch trailer or a tow truck, and a lot of people did pull up. So shout out to everybody. Shout out to the guys that towed it all the way back. They lived in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and they literally brought it back all the way to Denver. Like that's crazy. It's like shout out to you guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in Chicago. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe mostly, guys. We need to get this truck fixed. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.